time pressure to really deliver and manage to get the result that we need.
Okay. Excuse me. Let me show you out.
Okay. Wait, I'm having a grand area. It's so lovely here. Do you have any recommendations? Nice places to eat or get a drink, a cafe maybe? Or
Not really. We'll be in touch early next week. We're seeing several other candidates.
Thanks. Would you be able to tell me about...
Yes, we'll be in touch.
Can I just stop you there for 2 minutes, sir? Ah.
Oh, you've dropped your purse. Here, let me get that for you. It's lucky I ran into you. I'm sure you're in a hurry to grab lunch. But
That's
you know,
fine.
in just 2 minutes, you could help a dog like Avon Barksdale. He was in awful shape when he came to us. His old owners were not kind. Poor old stomach was in tatters. He couldn't keep anything in. It just went straight in one direction.
Okay, well, I did my
There's
best.
your coffee.
Oh, thank you.
It was bloody awful. It's so awkward. I just didn't get the chance to really prove myself, you know. She had this sort of, oh, I don't know, this barely contained grimace on her face the entire time. Or maybe she was smug. Oh, yeah, she was so stuck up. Yeah, rapid fire questions and then see you later. Yeah, she might as well have booted me up the arse and out of there with one of her precious Jimmy Choos. Yeah, I could see the cogs going round. This does not compute. Must be an error. Maybe you'd be more at home touting for manky animals on the street. Sorry? Yeah, I'm actually on the loo. I know. Everyone does it. Huh. Well, if it'll make you happier, I'll clean it with a wet wipe later. The phone! You dirty cow! Oh, thanks for the vote of confidence. You're supposed to go Side. I've got to go. Oh, okay. Sorry, are you all right?
Yes, fine.
Can I do anything?
No, it's quite all right.